point this out to you, but you know, of the 63 years we've been running this show, you are the first group that has failed to get the balloon to the back of the room. Huh? That way. That's the back of the room. That way. But don't let that lady in the back steal the balloon.
Ladies and gentlemen, what happened to you? Some of you may be Mythbuster fans, but thermite has some really neat uses. In their show, they cut a car in half with it. Real life use is you can weld railroad tracks together with it. It has an extremely high, well, temperature. And once it starts, you can't stop till it's done. And you take aluminum, you take iron, you mix it together, you get it to ignite, and it comes out molten iron. Let's take a look and let's watch it. Right here I have my fuse. My fuse is going to go into my thermite, and what you're looking for is the red stream that comes down afterwards. Are we ready? Are you sure? Yes. Again, that is just the ignition source. Nothing very important about that. But in a few seconds, you'll see it popping all over the place, and then it will stream down through the bottom. Like that. And what we have here, folks, is, well, molten iron. And it's still soft. And hot. Hey, who wants to touch it? I don't think so, not today.
I should tell you. You cannot run this reaction just in a metal pan. In fact, there's a university that ran a show like this on the 3rd floor of the building, turned on the thermite reaction, put a small metal pan on the bottom, the molten iron went out, melted right through the pan, through the 3rd floor, 2nd floor, and 1st floor. Even they put it out in the basement on the concrete. What you catch it in is wet sand. And in fact, if you come down and look at it, the molten iron is so hot that if you look where it actually solidified, you will see glass formed around it. Because how do you make glass? You heat up sand.
Alrighty, for this next demo, we're going to need a volunteer. Okay, this is a test of physical strength. Who's got the... Raise your hand. Kumesh. Yo, people, pass it. Okay, his task is to crush this bottle only using 2 hands, not the body, just 2 hands. Alright, thank you for your try. Okay, so I'm going to crush this bottle, but I don't have superhuman strength, okay? I'm going to use the air around us to my advantage, okay? So. Okay, I'm just getting the vapors. I poured in the liquid, I want vapors inside. That's why I'm shaking the ground. Ready? Ready? Alright, so we crushed the bottle, guys. Good job, Mama.
Now, one last thing. I wouldn't make any comments about Awa's lab coat. She's a pretty tough lady. You don't want to mess with her.
Okay, guys, we got a call from the zoo. They're all out of elephant's toothpaste. But they called the right people. it a little bit more.
Alright, that's gonna be enough. Let's see. Okay, this is still kind of. Yeah, this is very neat.
Still kind of boring. We need to add some color, maybe some glitter.
Alright. You guys want blue? Red? Red.
That looks good.
Alright, I mean, it's still kind of boring. What else can we do?
Some glitter.
Okay. Glitter. Okay, but you're telling me this is toothpaste? That does not look like toothpaste.
Yeah, we still have to add our secret ingredient to get the right texture, guys.
Oh, right here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh, what are you preparing for something? What's gonna happen?
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, who wants to see me put my hands on fire? Everybody wants my hands to burn? You guys are mean kids.
Alright, guys. Okay.
And then it wasn't as big as we thought, but who saw the fire? My hands. So much for putting my hands on fire. Thank you.
For his next trick, he'll set himself on fire. I'm only kidding, I'm only kidding, I'm only kidding, I'm only kidding. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever seen a diaper commercial, one of the things that they claim is that it keeps baby dry. So, my question is, how much water, how much liquid can this diaper actually absorb? Can it absorb this much water? Well, just to make this a little more realistic, we'll use a little yellow food coloring. Just a few drops. Yummy. All right. Pouring water on each diaper. Lots of water. Keep pouring. More water. More water. Just keep on going. Oh man. Wow, that's a lot of water. I don't know. This baby needs to be changed. Okay. But will the diaper hold all the water? The answer is, yeah, it does. So it looks like I don't have to change my kid for a week. But the secret to this is that there is a chemical actually in between the fibers of the diaper. So there's several layers of material, and in between the layers they place this stuff. This is called sodium polyacrylate. I do not have a scrupula. And so we're just gonna have to ballpark this. Okay. just a little white powder, nothing very special about it, except that it can hold up to 1,000 times its own mass in water. So, for example, if I were to pour this in here,